Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Yes. Now we have completed the JEE session also, right? You have to do it properly, okay, to upgrade your level that we have already talked to you. Now, this is the last video of this chapter. In this chapter, I will solve your some of the doubts that you have sent me. So, in this chapter, I have sent you the assignment और वो assignment के जो doubts है वो हम यहाँ पे clear कर देते हैं. So, first of all, you have to make a note that whenever two curves are orthogonal, you just make a note when two curves are orthogonal. If it is given that or you want to prove that two curves are orthogonal, then m1 into m2 is minus 1, right? When m1 is equal to m2, then two curves touch each other और पैरेलल. When पैरेलल दिया है अदर टच ईच अदर दिया है तो भी आपको m1 is equal to m2 करना है. You understand that? Yes. ये आपको याद रखना होगा. Based on that, I have given you the weekend assignment जिसमें tangent and normal वाले जो sums थे उसमें 9 to 15 is your doubt. So today we will solve that doubt. The 9th sum is prove that circles x square plus y square is equal to ax and x square plus y square is equal to by are orthogonal. First of all, you know what is orthogonal? Orthogonal, that means they intersect each other at the right angle. Orthogonal का मतलब होता है perpendicular. The angle between them is 90 degree. So the slope, multiplication of their slope is minus 1. So orthogonal is the new word, but you know this concept that two curves are perpendicular. And जब curves are perpendicular prove करना है तो कर्व्स नॉट परपेंडिकुलर दैट टेंजेंट्स आर परपेंडिकुलर आपको ऐसे प्रूव करना होगा. और जब टेंजेंट्स परपेंडिकुलर प्रूव करना है तो यू हैव टू फाइंड द स्लोप एट द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. तो हियर द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट इज नॉट गिवन. वेयर यू वांट टू फाइंड द टेंजेंट इज नॉट गिवन. सो यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस टू इक्वेशन, फाइंड द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट एंड फाइंड द स्लोप एट दैट पॉइंट. Then you multiply it, you will get if minus 1, then they are orthogonal. So here is x square plus y square is ax, x square plus y square is by. So how to solve this equation? So here x square plus y square both is the same. Then can you say that ax equal to by and therefore x is equal to b upon ay. Now any of one equation will write this value of x. So x instead of x square it is b square by a square y square plus y square a b by ay. Yes, I will put this value in equation 1. Then b square. We can solve this equation. This is y square here. So what we will do is we can take it common. So take it common, y square. So b square by a square plus 1 y square. A cancel. It is by. So एक y cut हो जाएगा. So we can say that y is equal to, okay, first of all what we will write here, b square plus a square by a square. Y is equal to b. So y is equal to a square b upon a square plus b square. This is the value of y. Now put this value of y over here. तो क्या मिल जाएगा? here x is equal to b by a. Instead of y, I will write a square b upon a square plus b square. Therefore, x is equal to, here a cut, that is ab square upon a square plus b square. So here point of intersection is ab square upon a square plus b square, a square b upon a square plus b square. This is our point of intersection of two curve. मैंने क्या किया, ये दोनों कर्व को कंपेयर करके x की वैल्यू उसके ऊपर रख के y की वैल्यू और इसमें रख के y की वैल्यू फाइंड की. So this is the how to solve this two equation and we get this point of contact, that is point of intersection. At this point of intersection, we will find the tangent. And then to find the tangent, first of all, x square plus y square is equal to ax. So find the derivative, that is dy by dx at this point. So that 2x 2y dy by dx is equal to a. That is the derivative. Now therefore, dy by dx is what? A minus 2x upon 2y. Right? Okay. Now you want to find the slope of the tangent of the curve 1. उसको हम नाम दे देते हैं m1. m1 is the slope of this curve at this point of intersection. So that we can write dy by dx is equal to a as it is minus 2. What is x? ab square upon a square plus b square upon 2. What is y? A square b upon a square plus b square. So m1 is equal to, multiply it here, a cube minus ab square plus ab square minus 2ab square upon 2a square b. Right? A square plus b square will take LCM and cancel it. So that it is equal to a cube minus ab square upon 2a square b. Take a common, then ऊपर नीचे cancel हो जाएगा. So a square minus b square upon 2ab. This is our slope of first curve. Now second curve, that is what? Here it is. Now we will take x square plus y square by. So if you find the derivative b and derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Now we'll take this side and common, so that dy by dx is equal to 2x upon b minus 2y. Yes or no? ये हमने इस तरफ लेके dy by dx कैंसल कॉमन ले लिया. So b minus 2y उसको डिनोमिनेटर में ले लिया. Now therefore m2, that is the slope of the tangent of this curve at point, this point of intersection पे. So m2 is equal to 2. What is x? ab square upon a square plus b square. Here b minus 2. What is y? A square b upon a square plus b square. So that m2 is equal to 2ab square upon, here you multiply a square b cube 2a square b, that is 2ab square upon, here a square b minus 2a square b. So b cube minus a square b. तो b कॉमन लेके ऊपर नीचे कैंसिल करेंगे. 2ab upon b square minus a square. That is the slope of second tangent. Now we get the slope of both the tangent. Now if two tangents perpendicular, that is orthogonal, prove करना है, तो you have to do that m1 into m2. If m1 into m2 is minus 1, then they are perpendicular, that is called orthogonal. So now what we will do, m1 into m2 is equal to, here m1 is a square minus b square upon 2ab. m2 is 2ab upon, this is b square minus a square, so I will write minus a square minus b square. Now it will be cancelled and the answer is minus 1. Therefore, two tangents are perpendicular to each other. हमने 11th standard में भी किया था. When two straight lines are perpendicular to each other, the slope, the product of the slope is minus 1. So same way here tangents are the straight line, and if the slope is minus 1, then here it is perpendicular. और जब two tangents perpendicular है, then we can say that two given circles are orthogonal to each other. Orthogonal का मतलब होता है perpendicular. That you keep in mind. Okay, so this is our question number 9. Then question number 10 is, always orthogonal prove करने के लिए you have to find the slope of the tangent at the point of intersection, right? Point of intersection नहीं दिया है, तो you have to solve this two equation. आपको क्या करना है? Solve the two equation by any method, anyhow, and find the point of intersection. At that point you will find the tangent, and then if both the tangent is equal, the curves touch each other. If both the tangent multiplication is minus 1, they are orthogonal. Understand? Yes. Now the question number 10, prove that xy is equal to a square and x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. Touch each other. Same way, we will find the point of intersection. At that point, we'll find the tangent of the two curve, and then if the slope of the tangent is equal, then we can say they touch each other. So first of all, आपको क्या करना होगा? Point of intersection find करना होगा. How to find? We will solve this two equation by any method. What we will do? We'll take the value from one and put it into the second one. So xy is a square implies y is equal to a square by x. Yes or no? Then we'll put it here. X square. Here a square by x whole square is equal to 2a square. X square a raised to 4 by x square 2a square. It is x raised to 4. ये इस तरफ जाएगा. I will take it here. 2a square x square plus a raised to 4 equal to 0. I have arranged the term. Why? Because ultimately it is a perfect square of x square minus a square the whole square. Yes or no? X raised to 4, 2x square, a raised to 4. So this is the perfect square. तो मैंने पहले यहाँ LCM लिया, तो x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 और ये इस तरफ जाएगा 2a square x square. 2a square x square को यहाँ ले आओ in the middle, then it is given. Now therefore we can say x square minus a square equal to 0, and therefore x square is equal to a square. So we can say x equal to plus or minus a. Now if x equal to a, then y is equal to a square by a, that is a, and x equal to minus a, so a square by minus a is minus a. So now we get the 2 point of intersection. Here 2 point of intersection are a and minus a minus a. Now first point लेते हैं a पर. We will find the tangent, slope of the tangent. If they are equal or not, we'll check it. So first xy. So derivative x constant derivative dy by dx plus y constant derivative x1 equal to 0. So we get dy by dx is minus y by x. dy by dx at this point is m1 at point AA minus AA, that is minus 1. This is our m1 and another curve है x square plus y square equal to 2a square. So the derivative is 2x. 2y dy by dx 0. So can you say that dy by dx is equal to minus x upon y? 2 that cancel. So dy by dx at AA, that is minus a by a, it is again minus 1 m2, right? Okay, and therefore we can say that m1 equal to m2. m1 equal to m2, so curve touch each other. Now we will find, this is our dy by dx of the first curve. At first point both the is slope is equal. At the second point, that is again we will find dy by dx at minus a minus a. So this is minus a by minus a. Again it is minus 1 and dy by dx at minus a minus a. This is our m1. Now it is m2. So another dy by dx here it is. फिर से हम ये सेकेंड पॉइंट पे फाइंड करते हैं, तो माइनस ए बाय माइनस ए बिकॉज एक्स अपॉन वाई, सो दैट इट इज अगेन minus 1. So m1 is equal to m2 for second point also, and therefore we can say both curve touch each other. Yes or no? So अगर ऑर्थोगोनल प्रूव करना है, मेथड रिमेन सेम, जस्ट m1 into m2 minus 1 आना चाहिए. आपको पहले पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड करना होगा, फिर डेरिवेटिव करके स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट एट पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड करो. ऑर्थोगोनल प्रूव करना है तो m1 into m2 minus 1 होना चाहिए. टच ईच अदर या पैरेलल प्रूव करना है तो स्लोप इज इक्वल होना चाहिए. यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? यस. So this is our question number 10. Now question number 11. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में आपको एंगल बिटवीन द कर्व फाइंड करना है. दैट मीन्स ऑल्सो द एंगल बिटवीन द टेंजेंट. उसमें भी आपको एंगल बिटवीन टेंजेंट ही फाइंड करना है. सो हियर इट इज, find the measure of angle. Find the measure of angle between x square minus y square equal to 3, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Here also you have to find the tangent first, right? Tangent find करने के बाद we will find the angle between them. Angle between them का जो concept है that we will already learn in 11th standard, because tangent is the straight line. So angle between the straight line is theta tan inverse modulus of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Yes or no? For that you have to find the point of intersection for this two curve. आपको point of intersection तो find करना ही होगा, right? So here is find the measure of angle between this curve and this curve. Measure of angle को मैंने आपको बताया था. What is it? m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. अब करना कैसे होगा? तो here we have to solve this two equation by any of the method to find the point of intersection at which you want to find the tangent. So here it is x square minus y square equal to 3. Another curve x square plus y square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. मैंने ये दोनों कर्व का एडिशन कर दिया, तो y square and minus y square will be cancelled. So x square plus x square 2x square minus 4x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 3. बोथ द साइड 3 कैंसल, तो ये बाकी बचा, उसमें से मैंने 2x को कॉमन निकाल लिया. सो x माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. हियर आई विल गेट द ट्रू वैल्यू ऑफ x. 1, x इक्वल टू 0, x इक्वल टू 2. When x equal to 0, if you write there in any of the curve, so minus y square is equal to 3. So y square minus 3, which is not possible. So ये value तो cancel हो गई. Now another value of x, that is 2. So here if you write 4, that is at x is 2, 4 minus y square is 3. So y square is equal to plus or minus 1. You will get the 2 point of intersection. It is 2, 1 and 2 minus 1. Now we will find the tangent at this 2 point, right? Okay, so x square minus y square का अगर मैंने differentiation with respect to x किया, तो x square का 2x minus 2y dy by dx और ये 0. So I will get this dy by dx. Now slope of the tangent at point 2, 1. Slope of the tangent at point 2, 1. So 2 upon 1, that is 2. Another curve ये है, उसका डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x किया, तो x स्क्वायर का 2x प्लस 2y dy by dx माइनस 4 इक्वल टू 0. सो dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा, 2, 2, 2 कैंसल, 2 इस तरफ गया, 2 माइनस x अपॉन y. दिस इज अवर dy by dx. नाउ स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट एट पॉइंट 2, 1. सो हियर 2 minus 2 upon 1, 0. This the slope is 0. We will get m1 and m2. Now the angle between the curve is angle between the tangent, and angle between the tangents are the straight line. So ये formula हमने 11th standard में की है. So it is m1 minus m2 upon mod of m1 plus m2. If you put the value, you will get this equation, that is theta is equal to, theta is the angle between two tangent or two curve, that is tan inverse 2. Now फिर से another point of intersection है 2 minus 1. So if we are write 2 upon 1 की जगह पे 2 upon minus 1 लिखेंगे, तो minus 2 मिलेगा. And here 2 and minus 1 लिखेंगे, फिर भी 2 minus 2 तो 0 ही होगा. m2 remains 0. Now what? minus 2, फिर से minus 2 minus 0 upon 1 plus 0. So what is it? Again tan inverse, but यहाँ पे mod है. So minus 2 becomes positive. So tan inverse 2 is the angle between curve in both the cases. So angle between the curve is, the measure of angle between these two curve is tan inverse 2. You understand this? Yes. This is our question number 12. Now question number 13 is, okay, this is 12? No, 11. Now find the angle, measure of angle between, okay, another more one sum is there for the measure of angle. Here it is, find the measure of angle between, find the measure of angle between y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay. Okay, now here you know that these are the two parabola. Here x square is equal to 4ay and y square equal to 4ax are the equation of two parabola. First of all, same way you have to solve these two equations and you have to find the point of intersection by any of the method. Point of intersection find करने के बाद at that point we'll find the slope of the tangent. If the slope of the tangent m1 and m2, then we'll put that formula of the angle between two tangent and find the measure of angle between two parabola. Method remains same. So how to solve this two equation? Y square is equal to 4ax. So what will I do is, I will do here square on both the side. So y raised to 4 is equal to 16a square x square. And x square की value 4ay, put it here. so that y raised to 4 16a square 4ay, that is 64a cube y. Now एक y cancel, so we will get y cube is equal to 16 4a cube, and therefore it is y is equal to, we will get 4a. If y is equal to 4a, put it here, then x square is equal to 4ay, that is 4a into 4a. So x square 16a square, and therefore x is equal to 4a plus or minus 4a plus or minus 4a. Therefore we can say that point of intersection is 4a 4a and minus 4a 4a. X की two values we will get. This is 4a 4a and minus 4a 4a. Now what we will do? We'll find the slope of the tangent of these two curves. First, y square is equal to 4ax. 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a. So we will get dy by dx is equal to 4a upon 2y is equal to 2a upon y. Now the slope m1 is equal to dy by dx at 4a 4a. So y की वैल्यू अगर 4a रखेंगे, so we will get m1 1 by 2. Now another slope, another is given, x square is equal to 4ay. So 2x is equal to 4a dy by dx. We will get dy by dx is equal to 2x by 4a. That is equal to x by 2a. Now we will find the slope m2 is equal to dy by dx at point 4a 4a. So it is 4a by 2a and it is equal to m2 is 2. Now we will find the angle theta, measure of angle between these two curves. That is, कर्व के बीच का एंगल फाइंड करना है, then you have to find the angle between the two tangent. So mod of m1 minus m2 1 plus m1 m2, it is tan inverse. m1 is 1 by 2 minus 2 upon 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2. Tan inverse here minus 3 by 2 upon ये 2 cancel 2. So you can say it is tan inverse 3 by 4. Yes or no? That theta is equal to what? Tan inverse 3 by 4 at the point 4a 4a लेंगे या तो minus 4a लेंगे तो भी remain same. But one mistake we have done here it is, we cannot cancel this y. अगर ये y cancel हो गया तो एक आंसर कम मिलेगा. What we will do is here, यहां से हम थोड़ा करेक्शन करते हैं. It is y raised to 4 64a cube y is equal to 0. So we will take y common, y cube 64a cube 0. So y is equal to 0 or y cube is equal to 64a cube, and therefore here y is equal to 4a. Yes or no? So we will get two value of y over here. Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4a. जब y is equal to 0 लिखेंगे here, when y equal to 0 then x equal to भी 0 होगा. और यहाँ पे जब 4a लिखा तो we'll get 2 minus 4a 4a and 4a 4a. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. And therefore ये हम प्लस और माइनस ना ले तो चलेगा. Why? Because this is x square is equal to 4ay is major axis x axis और वो ऊपर की तरफ आ जाता है. We have here like this, one parabola is here, another parabola is here. So this is the 2 point of intersection. So minus इस तरफ नहीं आएगा. We'll take 4a 4a. This is the point 4a 4a and this is the point 0 0. So here point of intersection will take 4a एंड 0 0। 4a जब था तो ये आंसर मिला, एंगल बिटवीन देम इज tan इनवर्स 3/4। जब 0 0 है तब क्या करेंगे, सो वी विल राइट फर्स्ट, ये आपने लिख लिया, वन आंसर मिल गया। नाउ आई विल टेक 0 0, सो dy by dx ये है, सो आई विल टेक dy by dx एट 0 0 एंड ये dy by dx है एट 0 0। सो व्हाट आई विल गेट हियर इज अपॉन में 0 मिलेगा, अपॉन में 0, 2a अपॉन 0 इज इनफाइनाइट, हियर it is 0. m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So m1 is infinite. Okay. So it is what? Infinite minus 0, 1 plus infinite into 0. So that is tan inverse infinitive is there. Infinitive का वैल्यू क्या होता है? pi by 2. 10 pi by 2 infinitive होता है. And therefore it is pi by 2। जब 0 0 है तो एंगल pi by 2 होगा, राइट? बिकॉज 0, आप यहाँ पे देखिए, ये पॉइंट है 0 0, तो ये कर्व का टेंजेंट ये है और दिस कर्व हैज दिस टेंजेंट एट 0 0 ये, तो बोलो ये एंगल बिटवीन द एक्सिस तो pi by 2 ही हुआ, 90 हुआ। ओके, एंड यहाँ पे जब हम फाइंड करेंगे तो दिस इज द टेंजेंट एंड दिस इज द टेंजेंट, तब ये एंगल बिटवीन द टेंजेंट क्या होगा? दैट इज tan इनवर्स 3/4। यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? ओके, so this is our question number 12. Now question number 13 is, where does the tangent to the curve at this intersect the curve again? I have done this, I think. So now we'll move on to the question number 13. Here question number 13 is, where does the tangent to the curve y is equal to sin x at point, which point? Pi by 2 1, intersect the curve again? y is equal to sin x का at this point पे जो टेंजेंट है वो अगेन इंटरसेक्ट द कर्व इन डैश पॉइंट, ऐसे आपको फाइंड करना होगा, वो कहाँ कहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड। Okay students, now here y is equal to sin x. If you want to find the tangent, then y is equal to sin x. So it is what? dy by dx is cos x. Now at point pi by 2 1 पे आपको स्लोप फाइंड करना होगा. So at pi by 2 1, so x equal to pi by 2 cos pi by 2 तो 0 हो गया. That means what? Slope of the tangent at point pi by 2 1 is 0. So slope of the tangent अगर 0 है तो टेंजेंट कैसा हो गया? हियर टेंजेंट का स्लोप 0 कब होता है? व्हेन इट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल, राइट? एंड देयरफॉर अगर स्लोप इज 0 देन इट इज पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस. नाउ यू नो द ग्राफ ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू sin x. y इज इक्वल टू sin x का ग्राफ कैसा है? तो दिस इज हियर sin 0 0, sin pi by 2 1, sin pi 0, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, sin 2 pi 0, and again वो चलता ही रहेगा here like this. This is 2 pi, then 5 pi by 2, here 3 pi, and so on, right? So what is it? This is the graph of sin x. y is equal to sin x का ग्राफ है. अगर आप टेंजेंट पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस और ऑल्सो टेंजेंट पासिस थ्रू दिस y इज इक्वल टू 1, तो वो टेंजेंट ये रहा, y इज इक्वल टू 1 यहाँ है और पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस है ये. सो दिस इज अवर टेंजेंट. नाउ दिस टेंजेंट, ओके, नाउ दिस टेंजेंट पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस at which point it meet or intersect the curve again. तो वो कहाँ कहाँ पे वो फिर से यहाँ इंटरसेक्ट या तो टच करेगा. सो दैट वी कैन से दैट हियर ये जो x है पाई बाई 2, फिर 3 पाई बाई 2 पे तो वो -1 में चला जाएगा, 5 पाई बाई 2, देन 7 पाई बाई 2 नहीं आएगा, 9 पाई बाई 2 एंड सो ऑन। वो कहाँ कहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है, पाई बाई 2, 5 पाई बाई 2, then 9 pi by 2 and so on. So how can we write like this? So the tangent intersect the curve at, this all generally लिखना है तो 2k pi plus pi by 2, yes or no? X की वैल्यू सपोज k equal to 0, तो 0 plus pi by 2 pi by 2, k equal to 1 2 pi plus pi by 2, here it is 5 pi by 2, then 4 pi plus pi by 2 and so on like that. So 2k pi plus pi by 2 and y की वैल्यू 1. So ये all the points ये कौन से होंगे, 2k pi plus pi by 2 x and y is 1. At all these points the tangent intersect the curve again. Here it is again where k belongs to z. Yes or no? Yes. So this is our all question number 13, right? You have to think logically in this question. Now the question number 14. This is also very important question. Now question number 14 है, if the curve x square upon a square plus lambda 1, y square upon b square plus lambda 1 is equal to 1 and x square a square plus lambda 2 y square b square plus lambda 2 is equal to 1 intersect each other, prove that they are orthogonal. अगेन फिर से क्या प्रूव करना है, they are orthogonal. Intersect each other. These two curves intersect each other, then prove that they are orthogonal. मतलब कि अगर वो इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं तो परपेंडिकुलर है. कर्व्स को परपेंडिकुलर बताने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, टेंजेंट का स्लोप फाइंड करना है. एंड स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट m1 into m2 इज -1 है, तो दे आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर, राइट. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल at which point you have to find the tangent, it is not given. So that you have to find the point of intersection of these two curves, and then at that point you have to find the tangent. Okay? Yes. Okay students. So first of all, how to solve this equation? ये बहुत बड़ा है, right? तो उसको solve कैसे करेंगे? तो first of all, we will take let point of intersection is x1 y1. अगर ये point of intersection x1 y1 है तो both the curve satisfied this point, मतलब कि ये point हम दोनों curve का point होगा, तभी तो वो point of intersection हुआ. So here we will write x1 square upon a square plus lambda 1, y1 square b square plus lambda 1 and x1 square a square plus lambda 2, y1 square b square plus lambda 2, 1, right? Okay, now here x1 y1 is point on both the curve, that is point of intersection. Then now 1 minus 2 करेंगे, this is 1, here is 2, now we will do 1 minus 2. So x1 square a square plus lambda 1, y1 square b square plus lambda 1 minus x1 square a square plus lambda 2 minus y1 square b square plus lambda 2. 1 minus 1 0. मैंने 1 minus 2 किया. Now ये दोनों टर्म साथ में लेंगे और ये दोनों, सो x1 माइनस x1 है तो मैं x1 स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लेती हूँ. सो इट इज a स्क्वायर प्लस लैम्डा 1 माइनस a स्क्वायर प्लस लैम्डा 2 इज इक्वल टू दिस माइनस दिस है तो इस तरफ ले लेंगे. सो हियर इट इज माइनस y1 स्क्वायर कॉमन 1 अपॉन b स्क्वायर प्लस लैम्डा 1 माइनस b स्क्वायर प्लस लैम्डा 2. यस और नो? Okay? Yes? Yes. Now I will take LCM inside. x1 square. A square plus lambda 2 minus a square minus lambda 1. A square plus lambda 1, a square plus lambda 2. Minus y1 square. Here it is. B square plus lambda 2 minus b square minus lambda 1. Upon b square plus lambda 1, b square plus lambda 2. Okay? So here it is a square will be cancelled. B square will be cancelled. Then what happened over here is x1 square. Right? lambda 2 minus lambda 1 upon a square plus lambda 1 a square plus lambda 2 minus y1 square lambda 2 minus lambda 1 upon b square plus lambda 1 b square plus lambda 2. Now lambda is constant because lambda belongs to the R hai. It is not given but it is constant. So this lambda 2 minus lambda 1 cancel. Now I will write here x1 square और इसे इस तरफ लेती हूँ b square plus lambda 1 b square plus lambda 2 अपॉन ये इस तरफ here ये y1 square नीचे here a square plus lambda 1 a square plus lambda 2 is equal to minus 1. ये मैं नंबर 3 दे देती हूँ. This is our result. We cannot solve this whole equation, पर इक्वेशन सॉल्व करके हमें ये मिला. क्या किया मैंने? पहले तो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन को x1 y1 ले लिया. अब x1 y1 दोनों में रख के 1 माइनस 2 किया. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई करते करते मुझे मिला ये. अब इसका मैं यूज करूंगी किसमें? टेंजेंट फाइंड करने में, स्लोप फाइंड करने में. नाउ व्हाट इज इट? ये कहां तक आपने लिख लिया, सो आई विल रब इट. नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर फर्स्ट वाला जो कर्व है वो लेके हम स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट फाइंड करेंगे. सो हियर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 implies 2x upon a square plus lambda 1 plus 2y upon b square plus lambda 1 into dy by dx. This is the derivative equal to 0. So हमारी dy by dx की वैल्यू क्या मिल गई? dy by dx that is our slope m1 at point x1 y1 और x1. So that is equal to dy by dx क्या मिलेगा? पहले ये टर्म इस तरफ, so minus 2x upon a square plus lambda 1 into b square plus lambda 1 upon 2y. 2 cancel. Minus x upon y b square plus lambda 1 a square plus lambda 1. This is our m1. Now the second. A square plus lambda 2 b square plus lambda 2 1. डेरिवेटिव करेंगे. 2x ये तो डिनोमिनेटर है पर कांस्टेंट है, इट इज रिमेन एज इट इज, into dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore the slope m2 that is पहले ये टर्म उस तरफ जाएगी, dy by dx minus 2x a square plus lambda 2 into b square plus lambda 2 upon 2y. 2 cancel. Minus x upon y, it is b square plus lambda 2 upon a square plus lambda. This is our second slope m2. Now, if they intersect each other, then prove that they are orthogonal. Orthogonal मतलब m1 into m2 minus 1 लेना है. So we will take m1 into m2 is equal to m1 है minus x upon y b square plus lambda 1 a square plus lambda 1 minus x upon y b square plus lambda 2 a square plus lambda 2. Then what is it? Is equal to क्या आ रहा है? माइनस माइनस प्लस x स्क्वायर अपॉन y स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर प्लस लैम्बडा 1 b स्क्वायर प्लस लैम्बडा 2 अपॉन a स्क्वायर प्लस लैम्बडा 1 a स्क्वायर प्लस लैम्बडा 2. यही आ गया. बट दिस इज व्हाट, आप अगर चाहे तो x1 y1 भी ले सकते हैं. चलिए ये dy by dx एट पॉइंट हम ले लेते हैं x1 y1. सो ये x1 हो जाएगा और ये जो है y1 हो जाएगा एट पॉइंट x1 y1. यहाँ पे हमने फाइंड किया, फिर dy by dx एट पॉइंट x1 y1 ले लो, x1 y1. सो दैट इज x1 y1, right? Then what is it? x1 square y1 square. But from 1 देखो ये और ये इक्वल आ गया. इसका मतलब from 1 what can you write? This is equal to -1. ये किसकी वैल्यू है? m1 into m2 की. If m1 into m2 is equal to -1, therefore the curves are orthogonal to each other, right? It is very important sum. यहां से और यहां से सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, बट पॉइंट इंटरसेक्शन x1 y1 लेके 1 minus 2 करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट दिस रिजल्ट. अब इसकी वैल्यू -1 है. फर्स्ट का स्लोप और सेकंड का स्लोप एट पॉइंट x1 y1 फाइंड किया, वी विल गेट दिस और इसकी वैल्यू -1 मिल गई. मतलब m1 into m2 तो -1 हो गया. सो दिस टू कर्व्स आर ऑर्थोगोनल टू ईच अदर. अंडरस्टैंड? Yes, this is our question number 14. Now the question number 15 is, okay, the last question number 15 है, prove that the portion of any tangent to this and this intersected between axes has constant length. Intersected between axes, that means कि अगर ये x axis and y axis है, तो this intercept, x intercept and y intercept, that is the length is constant. ऐसा आपको प्रूव करना है. First of all, we'll find the x axis, tangent, slope of the tangent find करके पहले tangent find करेंगे. It is the parametric form, so we will find dx by d theta, that is 3a cos square theta, पहले पावर का, then minus sin theta, and dy by d theta 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Now we'll find dy by dx 3a sin square theta cos theta upon minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. 3a cancel, एक cos theta, एक sin theta cancel. So it is minus sin theta by cos theta. This is our slope of the tangent. Now we will write equation of tangent is y minus y1 mx minus x1. x1 y1 is here, x1 y1. Slope is here. So we will find y minus a sin cube theta minus sin theta upon cos theta x minus a cos cube theta. अब इसे सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. सो हियर इज y cos theta a sin cube theta cos theta minus x sin theta minus minus plus a sin theta cos cube theta. Then x sin theta and y cos theta is there. X sin theta y cos theta is equal to, here it is a sin theta cos cube theta प्लस a sin cube theta cos theta. ये हमने टर्म्स को अरेंज कर दिया. नाउ हियर इट इज x sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to a sin theta cos theta. From here we'll take a sin theta cos theta common. So a sin theta cos theta common. Then what is in the bracket? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. It becomes 1, right? So we have the equation x sin theta y cos theta is equal to a sin theta cos theta. That is our equation of tangent. But हमें intercept form चाहिए. तो x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1 चाहिए. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे 1 लाने के लिए the whole equation is divided by a sin theta cos theta से हम divide करेंगे. So that x sin theta cancel upon a cos theta, y upon cos theta cancel a sin theta is equal to 1. This is our equation of tangent in intercept form. So we can say that we can say the tangent intercept x-axis in a cos theta 0 and y-axis in 0 a sin theta. Yes or no? इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म का मतलब क्या हुआ? हियर मैंने आपको बताया था दिस इज a cos theta 0 एंड दिस इज 0 b sin theta. आपको ये जो है कांस्टेंट प्रूव करना है. ये जो है कांस्टेंट इंटरसेप्टेड बिटवीन द एक्सिस हैज द कांस्टेंट लेंथ. दैट मीन्स द लेंथ ऑफ द टेंजेंट इज कांस्टेंट. तो लेंथ ऑफ द टेंजेंट ये है. तो ये कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? लेंथ इज इक्वल टू, you know that difference formula, x1 minus x to the whole square plus y1 minus y to the whole square. Yes, it is a square cos square theta minus 0 plus a square sin square theta. Yes or no? This is distance formula, x1 minus x to the whole square plus y1 minus y to the whole square. तो a square cos square theta minus 0 minus a sin theta the whole square. तो ये हो गया ये. And that is cos a square if you take common. Cos square plus sin square is 1 and that is equal to mod of a. So can you say that this length is constant? Yes or no? Yes. The length of the tangent is constant. Easy? क्या करना है आपको? पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म से dy by dx, स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट, इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट x1 y1 पॉइंट है ये ही दोनों. इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट ये रहा. सिंप्लीफाई करके इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म ले आओ. इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म है तो ये x कोऑर्डिनेट a cos थीटा 0, y एक्सिस को ये इंटरसेक्ट करेगा 0 a sin थीटा. देन पॉइंट इज हियर. लेंथ ऑफ दिस टेंजेंट इज कांस्टेंट. राइट? ओके. सो दिस आर द डाउट्स, दैट इज 9 to 15 जो आपको नहीं आ रहे थे. That we have done already now. So your doubts are clear. The chapter is over here. From the next lecture, we'll start the new chapter. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Do this chapter thoroughly. Okay? Bye.